Welcome to Nana's kitchen. Today we are cooking beans stew. Let's start with the beans. Wash your beans well before adding it to the water. Add enough water and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add more water till the beans is well cooked. Cover it, let it cook for another 15 minutes. Stir it gently. Cover it again. At this point, our beans is cooked. We set it aside. Let's start with the stew. Add your palm oil. Add your onions. Add your momoni. Give it a good stir. Mix your momoni well with the oil. Wait till the onion is brown. Cover it. Let cook for 5 minutes. Stir it again. Make sure that your momoni is well mixed with the oil. Go in with your tin tomatoes. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then add your blended tomatoes and pepper. I froze my blended tomatoes and pepper in a cubic form. That's what it looks like that. Add my ginger and garlic paste. Give it a good stir. Cover it. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a good stir again. Now I'm adding my spices. You can also choose to add any spice of your choice. Stir it again. Adding my smoked mackerel or salmon. Now I'm adding my beef. I use air fryer for my beef. Now stir everything together. Cover it. Let's cook for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding my shrimp powder. You can choose to add any fish powder of your choice. Tasting for salt and spices. Adding salt for taste. Now after adding the salt, please do well and taste again. Cover it, let it cook for another 5 minutes. Continuous stirring prevents the stew from burning under. Just look at the stew. Tasting again to see if everything is perfect. Cover it. Let's cook for another 5 minutes. Now my stew is cooked, so I'm adding the cooked beans. Please try this recipe and thank me later. You will love it. Wow. You can choose to eat this bean stew with rice, plantain, or yam. But today, I'm eating it with yam. Mix everything well. I cook my beans without salt, so I need salt. Cover it. Let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir again. Wow. Now add in your bell pepper, red, yellow, and green, with some sliced onion. Please, if you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Cleaning the edges of my saucepan. Add spring onion. It will also take you to another level. I'll just look at it. It's cooked now. Starting with the yam. Adding salt. Cover it. Let's cook for 10 minutes. Checking if my yam is well cooked. Now serving my food. Hi. Just look. Nyato bao. Akpena milo. Maraku. Nama po subscribe me for channel. Arako subscribe. Emya sro. Emya ma vongrada. Akpena mi. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.